This is the Woodford 10103 stem rod for the Woodford models Y34 and the model Y1. As you can see here, it is a brass rod with the threads on the end, and there's about a thread count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 threads there. We'll go ahead and get a total measurement, or total length of the rod. So from end to end, measures just shy of 6 inches, right above 5 3/4 of an inch there. Then we can go ahead and measure right here at the threads, which measures right at 1/2 inch. We can get a diameter as well, probably a bit easier to go from this end. And the diameter of the stem, right about 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so once again, this is the Woodford 10103 stem rod.